sideways.
Yeah, so I'll get the spot to do it. Right here. Fucking get it. I'll tell you.
I'm going to sit there.
Brett Eldersell, Lose My Mind.
Straight into there.
Straight into there?
Yeah.
Where is the bike?
In there.
And where was he out here?
Yeah, he went over here somewhere.
Yeah, I won't do it. Normally it gets down.
The truck has no balls.
Yes, it does.
No, it's not shifting right unless it's not fuel pump.
It's a fuel pump.
Remember, it only allows so much fuel. But when it does pump,
When it goes, it goes.
I did it a lot better than that. See right there? That's how it normally goes.